Good Sunday morning. I don't have my glasses on because they broke. Shaun's currently trying to fix them in the bedroom. Can't even see me, it's so dark in here. I got the lights on. Oh, I don't have this light on. See, I can't see anything. But we're gonna get the house cleaned up today. And then me, Shaun, and Skylar are gonna go see the Barbie movie. Little Shaun didn't wanna go. And then come back here, pick up little Shaun, and go and see Elemental. So basically we're spending most of the day at the movies, but I do wanna get a lot of this housework done beforehand. It is, what time is it? You can't see a thing. 7:15, and Shaun invited his mom over for breakfast, so, and I told her to be here at 8. So after he fixes my glasses, he's gonna get up, make breakfast, while me and the boys clean up a bit. I also have to edit yesterday's video because I was supposed to do it last night and I was just so tired I went straight to bed. But try and get these boys awake.
As she said earlier, we're up, and my first thing, I got up, I got dressed, and I went straight to McDonald's and purchased a bunch of things of breakfast sauce, and they didn't have the little cups, so I was like, just fill up a cup. So we've got it, the delicious nectar, and now I got the steak that is all cooked up, onions and the seasoning packets, all the bagels that are buttered, and then we take it and you do the butter, the sauce, cheese, steak, cheese, sauce, butter.
How much was the hollandaise?
And
it's not hollandaise.
It's not hollandaise sauce.
Breakfast sauce.
They have their own special mix that, like, you can try to find on Google, but nothing's ever gonna taste like McDonald's. So we'll make it and we'll show you. All right, so we got our stuff, and we forgot one ingredient, which was the eggs. So Mary's got herself an everything bagel. Nom nomin. She's nom nomin. I'm gonna be nom nomin. And I don't know, I told him to eat, and he's like, I'll eat later, and we're not gonna be eating later because we'll be at the movies, so we'll see how the day goes.
Alright, I just finished editing the video, my blanket, for today. It's uploading now, and the washer just ended, so I gotta go change that around. Our movie starts, well, we're leaving here in an hour, and I'm gonna change this laundry around, and then
Mary, I got some questions for you.
I want to go play my Sims game that I got on Thursday because it came out on Thursday and I haven't been able to play it yet. What?
Why are you washing tweezers?
I don't even know where these came from. I didn't wash these. These must have been in one of the children's pants. Oh, and little Shaun is washing Jack's because he came to see me. But little Shaun's washing Jack's because Big Shaun is having allergy issues today. Like, he woke up with an itchy eye and he's been sneezing, and I gotta go start another little laundry because I know you didn't. Can you clean off this table, please?
No. Why would I clean off the table? We got this wonderful popcorn bucket that's, where is it? $4 refills for the year 2023. So, saves a little bit of money. Because those boys want popcorn every single time we go. Thankfully, the free refills after you do the initial purchase. You could probably just walk in and go to the movie theater and then come back out and be like, yeah, I need a refill, and
you probably could.
They wouldn't be any wiser for it, but
I'm not gonna do that.
it's not the way we roll. Because as much as I don't want to spend money, if I don't support the places I like to go, then I'm just another person that leads to their eventual demise. Ooh, birdie, you're a big birdie. Holy heck. Might be pregnant.
What?
This birdie.
Oh, big?
Yeah, it's real big.
I thought they just laid eggs. Pretty sure birds lay eggs.
Yeah. gotta form the eggs first before you can.
Put them out.
Yeah. Either that birdie is pregnant or needs to start dieting right now.
Or he's what?
Needs to start dieting right now.
Dieting. Oh, this place stinks. Oh, Skylar's outfit. I like I'm going at my parents' house. It's smelly.
Plants are all wet back there because it rained last night apparently. Table's still in one piece from the hail. And we leave in about an hour, which gives me 1 hour to play video games. Or I could just lay right here and just scroll through social medias for an hour. Oh, it flew away.
Oh, I want to see it.
You will when you edit.
Yeah, I will later.
You'll be like, oh man, that bird was big. And I'll be like, huh?
I told you.
It's a classic thing where she's watching a video and then starts responding to me from the video where I'm not watching her editing it. And so then I'm deer in the headlights wondering what the heck she's talking about.
You should know. You said
We get to go watch the Barbie movie.
it. Yay. I'm excited.
Me 3.
No, you're not. You can give a crap what.
I love Barbie.
Uh-huh. I think you're a liar.
I am like a brony, but for Barbie. Is there such a thing?
I think you're a liar.
Like if so, what do you call it? Barbie-roni?
I was gonna ask little Shaun if he had played the game yet,
A
but
Broby? What's your password, Mary?
back away. They don't even know my email either.
So she's logging into her game stuff so she can play the Sims patch that just came out. Okay, the Sims expansion pack that it just came out called Horse Ranch, and she wants to play it so badly, but then she hasn't gotten to it and it came out a few days ago.
I had to work.
Likely excuse. When you want to play games, you make room for your games.
Okay, I just won't go to work. Let's play games.
Okay. You better be streaming. Gotta give me some money. Just gonna have to start wearing some little lower shirts. Alright, I'm gonna go play games. Then we're gonna go watch 2 movies. It's gonna be really hard for me to sit through them. I have a really hard time sitting through movies.
That's why we send you to get the popcorn and the drinks when we run out.
So, time to play.
Alright guys, we're getting ready to head out to go to the Barbie movie. It starts in 20 minutes. I wanted to leave 10 minutes ago, but everybody's playing their games and don't want to get off. So I'm gonna go grab up Sky. Shaun's not going to see it. All the stuff on his door. It's time to go. You gonna wear that? Alright. And then we have 40 minutes between the movies, so I think I'll come back here, change the laundry around, grab up little Shaun, and head out to go see Elemental. We're gonna go see Barbie right now. Alright, we just got back from seeing the Barbie movie. Came back to change the laundry around and grab up little Shaun so we can go see Elemental, because he wanted to see that. And it starts in 40 minutes, so we gotta leave here in like 10.
How'd you like the movie, Mary?
I liked it, it was really good. Your pants are falling down, by the way.
You already went?
Yeah. It's at 10:30 this morning, it's 1 o'clock. Elemental starts at 1:40. Don't mess with him. We're leaving here in 10 minutes to go see Elemental. That's why we came back.
Yeah, lots of
Lots of hidden things inside there.
It was
and a
great,
few
Mommy.
adult jokes.
Oh yeah. It was good. I liked it.
Sky liked it as well.
Yeah, Sky actually liked it, which was weird. I think Shaun would have liked it too, but he didn't want to go. Ow. But
I think Shaun would have been like, you.
I think he would have liked it. I don't know what Sky's doing, but he came home to, change the clothes around and grab up little Shaun, and then we're heading back.
Straight to his room to play games.
Of course he did. Alrighty.
Yeah.
Alright guys, we just got back from the movies, seeing Elemental, and Shaun went to open the garage door, and it wouldn't open, and this is what happened.
Ooh, that's not good.
Yeah. Not good at all. So now, that's his project for the rest of the day, because the car's outside the garage, and I need my car for tomorrow for work. Because I can't drive his car.
It's not going to take that long.
To fix?
I won't fix it, but it's not going to take that long to remedy for a small fix or a small solution.
Okay. Because if we have to manually open that, you're going to have to get up in the morning and open it for me for work.
Or we can just leave it open.
No, we're not leaving it open. No, it's not happening.
Just lock the door.
We do live in a safe neighborhood, but still, I don't like leaving it open.
Shoes.
Alright.
And
He's gonna go head out and try to fix that. You hungry? What do you want? We got leftovers.
I can hear my stomach.
We're having leftovers today for dinner because we have a bunch of them. I thought I had this on. So I'm gonna pull all the food out we have and let them pick what they want. I also need to take this hoodie off because I'm hot. At first I thought maybe the power went out because it's an automatic garage door opener thingy. And it's starting to rain here. So I thought it was gonna start storming and power went out. But I need to change this laundry around also. What's the message?
All right, broadcasting now. Boys come here. All right, broadcasting now.
Sky, come here.
Hey Google, broadcast.
What's the message?
Tyler, Dad wants you.
Okay, broadcasting now.
Dad wants you in the garage.
Yeah.
Hold that and just stop. Don't let it fall because I don't want this to hit Mom's car. You don't have to hold it like really high in the air, just don't let it hit Mom's car.
Alright. What kind of metal is this?
I don't know, aluminum.
Point?
Huh? That might be aluminum.
Surprisingly weight, or surprisingly light, so it's probably aluminum.
Yeah.
Might unscrew something up
Yeah.
there.
That's what I was trying to screw.
Yeah, I am, but just don't get tired.
Right there.
Jesus.
Look.
I don't like the idea of keeping it open. Did that.
Everything's really heavy.
Little Shaun, come here.
Alright, you ready, Sky?
Shaun!
Don't try to break your arm.
Get.
Watch it. Oh,
A little closer over here.
we might need to get some.
Gee, you think?
What?
$1 million idea over here.
What do you say?
I think you might want to have to do something about that.
No, I think you might want to get someone to do that.
Oh, I think you might want to get someone to do that.
You heard what I said though, right?
What?
I don't like the idea of leaving it open because the last time we left it open there was a raccoon out there.
We don't have a choice. Unless you've got a better option, but that's all I can think of.
I told you my option. I just wake you up in the morning.
I can't lift that on my own.
Ah,
As you just noticed.
no I didn't. So I'm out there. It's open now. You gotta move that and pull your car in. And now we have to figure out how to replace the garage door.
Easy. You gotta hire somebody.
You just knocked that down, by the way. The downspout. It's not gonna be in your way of the car?
No.
Alright.
We're gonna have to hire somebody who does garages.
Looks like that's what you get to look into tomorrow and while you're home. I'm gonna go eat. I made a steak egg bagel, but I'm gonna go eat and sit down and...
A regular bun?
Yeah, because I had 2 extra bagels left from this morning. I didn't want them to go to waste. The other one is up by the cheese if you want it. That's the one with the 2 bottoms because you ate the 2 tops this morning. I'm gonna go eat now.
Where are my keys?
Did you leave them over here by the door?
No, somebody put their hoodie on.
Oh, I put my hoodie on top of them. But I'm gonna go eat now. Alright guys, it's the end of the night. It's, well, 6 o'clock. I gotta edit and get into bed within the next hour, hour and a half. Got 18 minutes left on the washer for the last load of colors, and I gotta do the white clothes. But I got Skylar's blankets all out here drying because these all have to air dry because they're like really soft material, and if I put them in the dryer they won't be soft. I learned that lesson the hard way. Shaun ate the rest of the stuffed pepper stuff I made last week sometime. I don't remember when I made it, to be honest. Just gonna stick it over here. Gross. Spilled water everywhere. I'm gonna do the dishes tomorrow. I'm just really tired, so I'm gonna end the video here so I can edit and go to bed. I also need to make my lunch for tomorrow. I keep completely forgetting because I'm so tired. But like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Goodbye.